In this video, I will be showing you how to navigate Windows and create content entirely hands-free using Wispr Flow. Let's get started. I'm starting on my Wispr Flow dashboard, where I can track my dictation stats and speed for the day. Instead of reaching for the keyboard, I'll go straight to the search bar and use a voice command to find ChatGPT. As you can see, it instantly recognizes my voice and fills in the search for me. I'll click the link to get into the chat. Once I'm in the chat box, I'll use dictation again to give my first command: create an essay about education. Wispr Flow captures my speech perfectly and ChatGPT begins generating the text. It's a bit long, so I'll use another voice command to refine it. I simply tell it to make it into 2 paragraphs only, and the AI quickly adjusts the response. This looks great, so I'll copy the text to my clipboard. Now, I'll head back into the Wispr Flow app to save this as a shortcut. I'll navigate to the Snippets tab and click Add New. For the snippet name, I'll just say essay instead of typing it, and then I'll paste the paragraphs I just copied into the expansion field. I'll hit Add Snippet to save this to my library. To show you how powerful this is, I'll use my voice one more time to search for Google Docs and open a new document. Now, when I'm ready to insert my text, I simply speak the trigger word, essay, and Wispr Flow instantly expands it into the full paragraphs I saved earlier. From searching to writing and using shortcuts, I've done everything using just my voice. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.